Palos Verde's western brown squirrel chews viciously on the nut to try to crack open the shell. The blue jay approaches from behind and tries to steal the food from the squirrel. The squirrel gives off a dominant territorial call, and the blue jay flies away. You can hear the nut cracking. Squirrels have teeth longer than 4 inches and sharper than fucking the biggest prick you know. I'm shooting home videos of Animal Planet and Discovery Channel mixed together, if you haven't noticed. Let's see. I'm gonna be like, what's this? Like, alright, let's see if we can get a bit closer. Oh my god, this is funny. As I cautiously approach the squirrel, it begins to scurry away. Maybe we'll catch another glimpse of this beautiful creature some other time. Oh wait, here it is again. Let's try to see it. I'm gonna shoot this with my phone.